Okay, quick question. What if I told you that an AI that sits quietly in your browser, reads the page you are on, understands what you need, and gives you the perfect answer before you even Google it? Sounds magical, right? Well, say hello to Merlin AI, your browser's new genie in a bottle. And today I will show you how to summon it, use it, and boost your digital life step by step. So, without wasting any few seconds, let's get started. Well, Merlin AI is like ChatGPT, but smarter. It works directly inside your browser, need to summarize articles, reply to emails, generate code or captions. Merlin does it all right on the page you are viewing. So, let's start with your any browser. I am using Chrome by default, so I am going with Chrome. After opening your web browser, go to www.merlin.in or simply type Merlin AI. Click on the first link. You can log in with your Google account. Click on the terms and continue with your Google account if you have. Now we are logged in using our Google account. The interface looks similar to the ChatGPT. Yes, it is. And you can create new chat from here, your history, your projects, and many more. Prompts, image generate an image, bots, AI tools. Merlin AI provide you many more. You can also image upload from device, import from your Vault, and from Google Drive. You can also change the Pro models like Claude O3, O3 Pro, Grok, Claude 3.7, and many more. But in Pro version, we can also add Merlin AI into our extensions. Simply click on here and manage extensions and go to Chrome Web Store. Here type Merlin. Merlin, and add to Chrome. Add extension, and you can see Merlin AI added to our extension part. If I search about PcomLap and AI mode, if I select this part and control and press Control M, Merlin AI give you some exciting chats. Show more. Back to the Merlin AI. Now, if you have premium, then choose your model. And yes, it's that flexible. Generate anything from scratch. If you want to generate about how does the space rocket work, and it will provide you within a seconds. maximum in a minute. Just click Merlin, Merlin type your prompt and watch the magic happen. Yes, you can literally run a content empire with this. And GPT 4.1 model will give you the details about how does the space rocket work. Merlin saves your data, or I can say chats. If you click on history, it will show you here. Previously, we are selecting the text of PcomLap in AI mode, and you can see Merlin AI provided the history, or I can say chat. Merlin saves your chats and prompts so you never lose your best ideas. And the second one is how does the space rocket works? You can also create some projects. Starts from scratch. Enter description like PcomLab for YouTube content generation. Hit project created, and here you can create your project, manage your knowledge. You can also add your own instructions or custom instructions and update your project here. You can also add your smileys and emotions using emojis. You can also add files, upload docs, code, and many more. Here's the Vault. You can add content. Merlin AI provide you 200 MB storage usage. You can also add web page links, add text content, add from Google Drive. And your prompts. If you type here how to download new OS, or I can say all types of OS in Windows, PC or laptop. You can save your prompt, and after go to prompt, you can see that your saved prompt is featuring, or I can say you can see here. If you want to delete or edit, you can. You can also import chats, your personalization here, or you can set OpenAI key. Chatbots. Explore chatbots marketing assistant. Create a bot. You can create a bot. Change avatar. This is the third party thing. We don't want it. Go to AI tools. AI detector, image generator, essay writer. There are many types of AI tools that provided by Merlin AI. MCP plugins, labs, feature before anyone else. Let's answer to some others. Start, inbox, IBM. Let's answer to this. Simply learn. Control C and go to Merlin. Generate one reply to this. Okay, click on reply and Control V. PcomLap. Merlin AI is free tool, but there's a pro plan too. More requests, more AI brains, faster replies, but for 90% of you. The free version is more than enough to rock your workflow. Pretty cool, right? You just unlock the magic of Merlin AI in under 13 minutes. PcomLab is now on every major platform, so check it out. And hey, comment below which Merlin feature you are most excited about, or drop your favorite AI tool so we can explore it next. Stay curious, stay efficient, stay with PcomLab, because here we don't just scroll, we solve. Until then, tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching. Yes, we are back. Oh, for the next time. Tech beyond expectations. Bye bye, audience.